Introducing the Florida Native Plant Society's Sea Rocket chapter. Located on the Space Coast about an hour east of Orlando in Titusville, Sea Rocket is across the Indian River Lagoon from NASA's Kennedy Space Center, which literally sits inside the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge. You're watching the launch of a Falcon Heavy, and as you can see, the landscape is wild. Sea Rocket's home base is the extraordinary 472-acre Enchanted Forest Sanctuary, the first property purchased in the early 90s by Brevard County under its Environmentally Endangered Lands program. Thanks to a range of habitats and its geographic position between two temperate and subtropical zones, Enchanted Forest is host to a wealth of diverse plant and animal life. Oak saw palmetto scrub occurs in the highest elevation of the sanctuary along the Atlantic coastal ridge. Gopher tortoises, indigo snakes, and Florida scrub lizard make their home there. Enchanted Forest's moist and wet hammocks give rise to broad-leaved evergreens and deciduous trees. The closed canopy of the hammocks protect subtropical species from frost. Many of Sea Rocket's activities take place at the Enchanted Forest, including monthly chapter meetings, education and outreach, volunteer work, and plant sales. We help staff to plant and maintain natives in the beds surrounding its education center and frequently hold roadside events to clear the outside highway of litter. Recently, some of our members took a field trip to the Ted Moorhead Lagoon House to learn more about the work of the Marine Resource Council. They have a native nursery there primarily focused on propagation and cultivation of mangroves. While there, we got to see our chapter's namesake, Sea Rocket, which along with mangroves help to naturally retain the shoreline. Our chapter is lucky to have a multitude of wild habitats that are supported by national, state, county, and local government. The Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge and Canaveral National Seashore are quite famous. Others are far more modest, like the Helen and Alan Crookshank Sanctuary with its pine flatwoods habitat that are burned and maintained to preserve the home of its scrub jay families. It's a lovely, tucked-away gem in a sea of development. Henry David Thoreau said, "In wildness is the preservation of the world." The Sea Rocket chapter will do its part to preserve, conserve, and restore the native plants and native plant communities in Florida.